We're going to start it.
LA, you ready?
In
All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right, he's got one. And a second.
Wow, LA.
LA's on a roll with 3.
Here's the money.
Four.
You got
Five,
money in the
ball.
money ball.
All right, he's got one in the first round. Here we go. What about the end with 7?
LA now with 7 points.
Top of the key. He's got 7. There's 8. Leave it out. There's 9. Money ball. Oh! Here we go. The right. There's another. And another. All right, here we go. He's feeling it now. Money ball is in and out again. Last track, LA. Here we go.
We got 12 on LA.
One. All right, make your foot down. Make your foot down.
Oh! 12 points for LA Tenorio. Palakpakan natin.
All right,
LA Tenorio.
We're going to have Larry doing the job closing.
Mom, I'm going to talk to Larry while we're getting the racks ready. Larry, LA with 12 points. Alam natin combined scoring to. How does that feel? Does that add pressure or natanggalan ka ng pressure dahil si LA naka-12 na? Alright, we've got 60 seconds on that shot clock and we're going to start our Meralco Manila 3-point shootout with Larry Monasterio. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
All right, Larry's starting off. A little short on the first. A little long on the second. Third is still off. Fourth is long. Money ball on the first ball. Here we go. Second ball. Little left. There we go. He's got 3, 4. Money ball. Four back to 3 now. Here we go.
Larry Monasterio, the baby face.
Here we go. 6. Come on, Larry. Here we go. 7. Money ball is long. Come on, Larry. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. Each and every one with long on the money. He's got 11. 12. 13. And the money ball. So 25.
For the PBA All-Stars, that's actually a 5th number. Now let me introduce you our participants from the Smart All-Stars for the Meralco Manila 3-point shootout. First up, we have James Harden! Come on!
James, there's some good ones over there that just you in the beer, man. Little beer.
Now, the pressure is definitely on. These locals showed you what they can do from beyond the arc. What can we expect from you guys? Feel a challenge?
Hopefully we can make the shots. You did a pretty good job. We're trying to win.
They did a pretty good job, but I see you doing better. In case you want to start here or on the other side, let us know.
All right, the score to beat, James, 25. Best of luck to you whenever you're ready.
We got 50 seconds on that shot clock. We'll start this in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, final first shot. No, second. Little long. James got 1. Little long on that one. Money ball is also long. Move to the right side, to the left. Easy. So far, Harder is 1, 2. There we go. We got 4. 5. 6. On the roll now. 7. 8. Money.
Oh,
Look at the roll.
perfect rack.
20 seconds left. 9. Short. It's 10. The tie. 12. From the corner. Got 12. To 13. Little long. 14. And the money ball. 14. So far, the highest score. Give it up for James Harden! He's got the top score. 14, Pat.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, also participating in this Meralco Manila 3-point shootout. Give it up for T.E.3! You're going to win this? You're going to win this?
Yeah, that's right.
Which is your favorite angle? Do you think this is where you're going to get hot right here at the start? We have two, and we've got 60 on that shot clock, and we're going to start this 3-point shootout with CP3 in 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Chris needs to hit 12. He needs to hit 12, and he's short on the first, long on the second. Long on the third. Long on the fourth, the money ball. Looks good. He's got 2. 10 more to win. 3.